The Series 4 is the first major redesign the Apple Watch has seen since it was first released. If you've picked one up, the larger body and displays are obvious, but let's take a look at some features you may not know about. The Apple Watch is on its way to becoming one of the best health devices on the market, and with the Series 4 you can make a good argument that it already is. One of the new features is fall detection. With its updated motion sensors, the Series 4 can detect if you fall. And most notably, if the watch senses no movement for 60 seconds afterwards, it will automatically contact emergency services and provide your location. If you are 65 years old and up, this feature is on by default. For everyone else, you can turn fall detection on in the Watch app on your iPhone by going to Emergency SOS and toggling the option on. The Series 4 also has much improved heart rate tracking. In the past, heart rate monitoring has been handled by an optical heart rate sensor, but the new electrical sensor in the Series 4 allows for much more accuracy. The Series 4 will not only send you alerts if your heart rate gets too low, it can even detect instances of AFib. And then most notably, Apple is promising a new feature soon, which will allow users to take an electrocardiograph directly from their wrist. When the feature is released, the Apple Watch will be the first FDA-approved consumer product to offer this. Pretty cool. However, that's not quite here yet, but in the meantime, you can turn on the current heart rate monitoring features by going to the Heart section of the Watch app and toggling the feature on. This last tip isn't exclusive to the Series 4, but I think it's still a great tip that you may not know about. I'm sure you're familiar with the watch's iconic honeycomb grid of apps, but if you prefer, you can press on the screen to bring up an option to switch to a list view. It's certainly a personal preference, but I find this list much easier to navigate and miles easier to tap on the app I want the first time. Alright guys, that does it for this one. Keep it locked right here to iDrop News, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Later.